Hi, folks. If you decide to write a sales letter for your written assignment this week, I am giving you some ideas about how to do it. Now, I realize that most sales letters these days are actually emails or text messages. I want this assignment to be a letter, so I want it to be a little bit longer, a little bit more complex, instead of just a, hey, you forgot something in your shopping cart. They are, as I said, the purpose is to persuade a potential customer. So you have to have in mind whatever your product, whatever your service is, and who are you aiming it toward? Parents, older folks, young folks, a specific gender. Figure that out before you start. I also realized that most sales letters use images, fonts, colors, pizzazz to get it across. You can do that if you want to. Have fun, go wild. But realize I'm going to be looking at your text in particular. This is a writing course, after all. Now, some guidelines here. You've got to get their attention. Begin with a question, something to bring them in to your narrative. We are all bombarded with advertisements all the time, so you've got to make yours stand out. You might want to say, build a career, get rid of your old carpet. Here's a quick way to, back up your hard drive. I'm seeing getting your home loan approved. I'm reading some of these from this website down here that I'm recommending you look at if you want some help. I hope you have fun with this. Get to the point quickly. Again, people are busy. They don't have time. Spell out the benefits. Why is your product, services better than the others? Persuade. Ooh, sell a spa service. That would be fun. Appeals to the senses. Tell the truth. Don't lie. Don't exaggerate. And close by asking them, take action. Go now. Run now. What fast food was it? Burger King that used to post ads on the TV late at night when people were hungry and showed juicy hamburgers and say, go now? See, I can remember the ads. I can't remember the product. So, is that powerful? Is it not? Anyway, have fun. Let me know if you need help.